Good morning and welcome to the flight of Japan. Yay, I'm going to Japan today. Yay. It is like nearly 4 o'clock, so we have to go. But yeah, super duper excited. Been waiting for like over 15 years to go to Japan, so living my childhood dreams right now. So, well, this year technically because I went to a Disney cruise. So, yeah, gonna go to airport number 1 because we're doing a double flight. So, let's go. Just landed in Sydney and now I gotta get our baggage onto plane number 2, which is to Tokyo. I stopped wandering around to look at this. It is, I don't know what this is. It is creepy AF, but, oh, hello, you can see me in the mirror. It's so weird. Walkie thingy. Oh my god. It feels weird. Hello and welcome to hotel room. This segment is the tour because even though it's kind of smaller than my tour at the Disney cruise, to be honest. But hey, it's still something. Although it's similar size though. Tour time and my hair is a mess. Tour time. Bathroom's this door. What's the bath? Oh, it's outwards. I thought it's inwards. Is this the light? Ah, this is the light. That's the toilet. Bathtub. Shower, question mark? Sink. Mirror. Hello. And the floors are like stony, but not really at the same time. This is the shoe area where I'm gonna put the shoes. Air purifier, coat hangers, bed with a xander, and a table and a lamp, couch, TV. And I'm not sure about the view. We're in the 36th floor. 37 floors altogether?
Yep.
We're the second highest?
Yep.
Yeah, we also get like complimentary waters. Though one of them is in the fridge. That's like below here because Xander likes it cold. We're gonna go outside for a bit for fresh air and get like combini stuff because Xander wants to go to a convenience store. And then rest for tomorrow where we're just gonna be in Ikebukuro for the first day. Yeah, gonna rest. Bye bye.